It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though, you can't find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
My hair is still not dry as yet, but anyways, the show must go on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing another Fashion Nova haul. I'll be doing like a velvet / corduroy material haul. So I hope you guys enjoy. So my package came in the mail today and I had to do this haul. So excited. This is the cabin trip velvet romper. It's a velvet material, and as you can see, it's long sleeve and it's off the shoulder. And it's a biker shorts length, and it also has the front tie detailed. Yes girl, yes girl, yes girl. This fits me so perfect. It's a stretchy material. It's a size small. Ooh. I love it. Alright, so next I have the Looking for Love velvet mini dress. This is a size medium. I kind of feel like I should have got small. I don't know. I usually wear medium in mini dresses, but this one, I don't know how I feel about this one. It's cute, but it's just a little baggy. I don't know, like, I don't know. It's not so bad. It's not bad. So this is color burgundy. It's off the shoulder, as you can see, long sleeve, another velvet with the tie detail in the front. It's a cute dress. I like it. Just a little baggy, but it will work. Listen, I have to make sure I say all of my clothes there, I can move in them. Cause I'm always moving, girl. I'm always on the move. Alright, get moving this one. Could get jiggy with it in this one. Ow. Fashion Nova, you came through. Gosh, my hair is a mess in this video, but the show must go on. Anyways, we have here the fuzzy feels, girls. We have here the fuzzy feels skirt. I can't talk today. I have here the fuzzy feels skirt set. It's all like fur, pull-on mini skirt. So like a sweater set, like a fuzzy sweater set. Listen, don't tell me say it's spring, so I can't wear my fuzzy sweater set, because I can wear my clothes whenever I want, wherever I want. I don't care what season. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. I am crazy. I like this. It's a size small. So if you know me well, you know that I am in love with biker shorts. So this is the color brown. I bought these separate. I'm assuming it's a set, but the top is called an 8 zipper top with the zip in the front. It's cropped with scoop neck, and the biker shorts is called Out My Way ribbed biker shorts. It's also the color brown. It's high rise. I have the shorts on the wrong way because I'm like, why is the zip in the back? I just much better. I'm done with myself. I'm done with myself. Alright, let's do this again. It has zip front. It's a biker shorts. Can stretch tonight. Whoa. Stretch. Yeah, you. From we can stretch and move in it. That's the goal. Ass fat. Yeah, I know. You got some cash? Some more. This is a size small. Alright, so this is the It's a Vibe set in the color Rust. It's corduroy material. I don't know how I feel about this one. I don't know how I feel about this one. My boyfriend said that he likes it, so if he likes it, then well, because he's very picky, and if he likes this, then it's a cropped jacket with the front zipper. You could zip it down like this or wear it like this. Drawstring in the front. Could pull it tight or loosen it. See? I don't know. It has one pocket and it's a stretchy material. And then this is a high waist jogger and it's also stretchy. Okay, so this was just a short haul. I didn't buy a lot. I just bought just a few items. So that's it for this video. If you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Rate my outfit. Tell me which one is your favorite. So that's it for my video. Bye.